Just add him up. So hello, salam, namaste, sat sri akal, and welcome to another episode of What's Your Story by Madhvi. And here we have our guest, who, he is a superstar known by JK, and but you know, one interesting fact about our guest I wanted to just narrate was that he is an constructive engineer who was settled in Dubai, working for a very good corporate company. But then, of all of a sudden, it was tough decision. I guess so. So he took it and he wanted to continue with his passion, that was acting. So we have here none other than a superstar from Collywood, from Bollywood, from Tollywood, JK, Jairam, Kartik Jairam ji.
Hi,
So
Madhvi.
Jairam ji, hi sir, Jairam ji ko Jairam mera sir.
Jai Raman ji.
Jairam, okay. Okay. So this is what I could recollect from the name. तो मैं शुरुआत आपसे यही से करना चाहूंगी कि आपके इतने डिवोशनल और डिवाउट नाम जो एक साथ जोड़े गए हैं उसके पीछे राज क्या है, किसने रखा हुआ ये सारे नाम आपके?
Well, see, Jairam is my father's name. So
Okay,
actual my
nice.
my first name is Karthik. So South India
Mm-hmm.
में क्या होता है? We will add the father's name. So
Okay.
that's the reason it is Karthik Jairam. We call Jairam Karthik, Karthik Jairam. In school it used to be J Karthik. Just initial
Mm-hmm.
they used to put. अभी हमने
Mm-hmm.
पूरा Jairam Karthik ही we started telling.
बट मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं आपके नाम का असर पर्सनालिटी पे होता है, तभी आपने वो सीरियल किया स्टार प्लस पे, सिया के राम, एंड यू रियली
Maybe.
मेड अ मार्क ऑन दैट.
Thank you so much. Maybe destiny, राम को राम नाम है लेकिन कैरेक्टर क्या रावण का.
नहीं, बट लेट मी टेल यू, रावण का जो आपने कैरेक्टर किया था वो भी ऑफ कोर्स वो दशावतार मीन्स ही वाज अ वेरी ब्रेनी पर्सन, बहुत ब्रेनी थे वो, तो वो भी राम के ही भक्त एंड में माने गए. बट
Absolutely right.
जो जिस तरीके से आपने उसको निभाया है, अमेजिंग.
Thank
एंड
you.
so let us start with your journey of being, you belong to a very educated family, as your father is a doctor, sir is a doctor, and
Yes.
I think auntie is a housewife.
Yes.
And so you are an engineer.
Yeah.
So you had done job in Dubai with a very good company. But why did you shift it to acting? What made you look towards this, stream?
See, all these things, it's destiny. That's it. It just happens. Whatever you plan in your life doesn't happen. Whatever God plans, that is what it happens.
Mm-hmm.
So I did my engineering, then I did my master's in structural engineering. Then you were talking about Dubai. Just 1 year I worked in Dubai. उसके बाद मैं I came back to Bangalore and almost for 9 years I worked for a company called Praxair. So during this period, I was never interested in acting, but it so happened that I met a friend of mine called James who was a DJ. Okay, I used to party a
Oh,
lot. Okay, so this
oh,
person
okay. So you
James,
are a
he pushed me
dancing
into.
and हाँ, of course, बॉडी शॉडी
See,
बना
see,
ली
I'm,
सर
I'm,
ने
I'm
फिर
just
तो फिर हाँ.
I'm
So,
just a party dancer. Okay, okay. So I
okay,
used to go
party
to the parties
dancer.
just to enjoy the party and dance. That's it.
So can you elaborate, sir? ये party dancer or dance is a dance. What is party dancer?
Party dancer is you can dance
फंस गए.
however you want. Not a professional
हाँ, अच्छा
dancer.
अच्छा अच्छा. Okay. टेढ़े मेढ़े स्टेप्स भी चलते हैं.
Sorry.
ओके, खैर वहां से आपका सफर, टेढ़े मेढ़े स्टेप्स चलते हैं. It doesn't matter. Just
Yeah, actually.
yeah, cool kind. So you
So
are
उसके
basically
बाद
a
from
cool
there
kind
the
of a guy. Hmm.
so from there my my journey as an actor it started, but still almost for almost for 4 years I didn't pursue it seriously. क्योंकि मैं I was acting as well as I was working. So उसके
Oh,
बाद when I started doing a serial called Ashwini Nakshatra, which was a remake of Madhubala, that was in
yes,
Kannada.
and you played
So
a
that gave me a
Jai
popularity.
Krishna, yeah, Jai Krishna was your
Jai
name in
Krishna.
that. That's how you got JK.
See, JK
Okay,
was from my childhood. When I was in school, all
okay,
my friends
JK
used to
was from
call
your
me
childhood.
JK. Yeah, because Jairam Karthik, JK short form, they used to call me. So for this serial, they asked me,
Acha,
can we keep your name as JK? So I told, good for me only, I'll be identified as my name itself. So that's a plus point.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. So, but when did you finally feel that कि मुझे acting करनी चाहिए? एक अंदर से होता है, right? Just because somebody told you, so you just stepped into it.
See, I was
Was
into,
that kind of a thing?
I was doing modeling. I was very much interested in modeling, very passionate,
Okay.
passionate about modeling. But so that's the reason, I didn't have any camera fear and all. I used to face the camera very confidently. But this
Hmm.
movie just happened, and after my serial Ashwini Nakshatra, only I took it up very seriously, because till then I was not certain क्या इस लाइन में कुछ हो सकता है या नहीं. It is very uncertain profession. बाद में when I started
Absolutely,
getting
absolutely.
popularity and people started recognizing, तब मैंने सोचा कि हाँ यार मैं कुछ कर सकता हूँ इस इंडस्ट्री में. So then I took it as a very serious profession.
Okay. So, what was the role of your parents when you decided? You came back to Bangalore and then you did some modeling assignment. I think first salary was for 500 rupees. Was it
No,
true?
for modeling I used to get 200 rupees.
Oh,
Okay.
I said more than 200. I'm
Okay.
near to it. Yeah. Hmm.
I think so. Most of them have gone through this. So for the modeling, I used to get
Absolutely, absolutely.
200. I used to get. Usme a coordinator used to take off 100 rupees, and he used to give me 100 rupees. I mean, that is how
Seriously?
it works. Yeah, that is how it works.
Yeah.
But again, modeling was not
Okay.
a serious profession, because I knew it's not going to take me anywhere. That's when I concentrated a lot on my academics.
So here, a lot of your fans are from Toronto, all over the world. They are wishing you. Would you like to say something to them?
Thank you so much to all my wonderful people. For a small actor, you're giving a lot of love, and that actually encourages me to work
Small
more
actor.
hard, give more. Yes, of course,
Hmm.
still a budding actor.
अगर आपने अब ये बोल ही दिया है तो लेट मी शो यू समथिंग कि कितने स्मॉल हैं. लेट मी शो यू. आई वांट टू शो यू. सो लेट्स गो विद दिस. बिग बॉस. That's not small. Your mom,
Yes,
your dad.
yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm just cutting this picture. Yes, this is small. Look at guys. Okay, so one more. This is so cute guy. छोटा से छोटा बच्चा जो अभी तक बड़ा बन चुका है. ये है वो बच्चा. ये है वो बच्चा और ये देखो बदमाशी कैसे ऊपर देख रहा है और पूछ रहा है.
भगवान
May
से.
1st. आप भगवान से. Horror film, May 1st.
Yes.
Whoa, look at that. ये छोटा बच्चा है, ये छोटा है. Oh my God, I can't believe it. ये देखो, impossible to believe. Superb.
Thank you. Thanks for that presentation, Madhuri.
My pleasure, my pleasure. And here you play cricket also. Oh my
Yeah,
God, that's your also one of the passion, I must say.
that was my first love.
Like coming back to that, now let me tell you, uh, that, what's your first crush? I mean, who was your first crush?
First crush, school में.
कब? कौन सी टीचर के साथ?
टीचर के साथ नहीं हुआ था क्योंकि
अच्छा, जनरली सबको टीचर
बिकॉज
के
आई
साथ
यूज्ड टू
होता है
बी
नहीं?
द हाँ सबको टीचर के साथ होता है लेकिन आई वाज द मोस्ट notorious student in the class. I used to talk a lot.
Oh,
इसलिए I still remember once teacher had given me a punishment and that was the best punishment I got in my life. And guess what that
okay.
was? The teacher put me in
क्लास के
between
बाहर?
two girls. नहीं, she made me sit
ये
between two
इंटरेस्टिंग
girls.
है.
हाँ,
ओह,
so she thought that was a
अच्छा.
punishment, but unfortunately after the class, the two girls started crying. हाँ,
And you were laughing, you were enjoying. इधर की
वहां से
लड़की इधर
रावण
भी लड़की, मतलब बचपन से आप बदमाश थे तो जरूर बदमाशियों से भरे होंगे. तो हमें कुछ किस्सा सुनाओ अपने बचपन का. आई वांट टू हियर. आई एम श्योर नाउ.
नहीं वहीं से रावण का कैरेक्टर शुरू हो गया था.
सीधा अरे नो 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 नो, वहां से रावण का कैरेक्टर शुरू नहीं होता सर, वहां से एक्टिंग शुरू हो गई थी.
एक्टिंग.
एक्टिंग शुरू हो गए थे. अच्छा,
नो
तो
आई
बट
यूज्ड टू.
आपको कुछ, हाँ, आपको मेमोरीज तो याद होंगी ना जो आपने बदमाशी करी थी. कुछ तो
No, I
ऐसा
used to
किया
crack
होगा.
a lot
आई एम
of jokes,
श्योर,
you know.
आई एम श्योर.
I used to crack a lot of jokes, and I never used to
वो
allow
तो
them to concentrate on the class, you know, so, on the what teacher used to teach. So that's the reason they got irritated and they started crying. That's all. और कुछ नहीं, Maria. I'm a very nice
और
guy,
उसके
you know.
बाद अभी का क्रश कौन है? अभी का क्रश आज का,
उस स्कूल
आज
में
का.
आज
तो
का
स्कूल हो गया, स्कूल हो गया.
आज तो बहुत है यार, बहुत है, you know. All the
गलत क्वेश्चन
one.
पूछ लिया. हम्म, एक तो होगा यार जो मतलब, अच्छा बाद में कैमरे के पीछे होगा वो. ओके, ठीक है.
हाँ.
So how fluent are you in speaking all the languages? I mean,
See, Kannada tongue.
it got paused.
Yeah, Kannada is my mother tongue.
Okay.
So I speak English and Hindi because I started learning Hindi in my school, college. So that helped me a lot, in fact. And Telugu I can speak a little bit. Tamil I can speak a little bit. That's all. Malayalam I
बस
can't understand.
ओके, थोड़े बहुत लैंग्वेजेस बची हैं बस, बाकी तो सब आती हैं. दैट्स ओके,
है ना?
चलेगा.
नहीं, भारत में तो बहुत
लेकिन
लैंग्वेजेस हैं.
अच्छा, लेकिन आपको स्क्रिप्ट जब दी जाती थी
हम्म.
हिंदी में तो कितना मुश्किल होता था उसको लर्न करना, उसको समझना, डायरेक्टर के साथ बैठ के स्क्रिप्टिंग. व्हाट वाज द टफेस्ट पार्ट यू फाउंड?
No, actually, in fact, I didn't find difficulty in the Hindi script at all. You know, it was
ओके.
because I love the language a lot. Hindi language, I love it a lot, and I still watch a lot of Hindi movies
योर
and all.
बॉडी सुपर जेके सर.
Thank you.
ये भी इनका पैशन है, इनके बहुत सारे पैशन है गाइस.
है ना? Who is that? Charan. Charan.
जी हाँ, नो, मिस्टर वीरश पाटिल सम, या,
Okay.
सुपर बॉडी. वो तो है, वो तो है, नो
करना
डाउट.
पड़ता है ना. पापी पेट का सवाल है.
ओके. अच्छा, ये अब ये बताइए कि आपको इतनी क्या मजबूरी थी या इतनी क्या खुशी थी कि आप बिग बॉस कनाडा सीजन 5 में चले गए?
There were two reasons. Okay, and the first reason is, oh, the money was really attractive.
सर
Okay,
जवाब दे दीजिए. योर फैंस वांट्स टू नो. नेशन वांट्स टू नो, नहीं, फैन वांट्स टू नो.
I'm doing good, Vineet. How are you doing?
और एक ये भी है तो उनका भी जवाब दे दीजिए, बिकॉज ये लैंग्वेज तो मेरे ऊपर से जा रही है
Sita,
तो.
so it says that Sita Rama, that is the Siya Ram in Kannada, which is coming. Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾತ್ರ ರಾವಣ ಮಾಡೋ experience ಹೇಗಿದೆ sir? So he's asking actually in Sita Rama, this dubbed version of Siya Ram in Kannada, which is there. How did you
Okay.
how did you enjoy the character of
Version of
Ram?
it.
He's asking.
Yeah.
So I would answer him in Kannada, otherwise he will
Sure,
really
sure,
feel
sure.
bad.
Sure.
ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಡಿಡ್ಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ರೈಟ್?
आपने बोला आई एम वेरी लकी. इट्स ओके, फाइन.
या, so I'm very lucky to get that role what I told.
ओके.
Yeah.
सो ओके, लुकिंग कूल. अब आपकी थोड़ी तारीफ हो जाए. क्या क्या कहते हैं आप?
Looking cool in black tea and those glasses. Thanks a lot, Pooja. Thank you so much.
बाकी सवाल एक मेरे सवाल के बाद. ओके.
Okay.
तो बिग बॉस में आप कैसे चले गए?
Well, Big Boss, I told you, because of two reasons. One was the money was very attractive.
Oh,
Okay.
you were second runner up, right?
I was second runner-up.
Yeah.
Okay. And
I do my
other,
homework very well.
huh?
I do my homework very well.
I know. You know more than me actually.
Oh, I'm so happy today. Guys, please listen to this. Recording to hui hai anyways.
Maybe I would have forgotten few things.
Yeah.
And
I'll make you remind.
You're reminding me everything.
Yes.
So the second reason is you get close to people by getting into Big Boss, because most of the people, maximum people watch Big Boss. It's a good entertainment for them because you can't fake over there. You have to be yourself. So that's the reason I went to experience it.
Okay. So, what was the big fight you had with in the house? Anybody name it?
I never had. I just had some few very light fights, because I was not interested in fighting and all. So I used to be the most.
It was not scripted.
It was not scripted. It was. I used to be calm and composed because I hate fighting. When people used to fight, I used to sit and laugh. Okay, and people used to wonder, इसको क्या हो गया?
नहीं, मुझे वो देखना पड़ेगा पूरा सीजन लड़के.
So I used to tell them, like, you're here for 3 months. Why you want to fight? Okay, enjoy life and get out of here. There's a lot of other life outside the Big Boss house. So just to get a trophy, you need not have to fight over here. That was my principles, what I followed in Big Boss.
Mm-hmm. Okay, your experience of Siya Ram.
Yes, Siya Ram was a fantastic experience
and yes,
because a great team to work with, technically a wonderful team, and Star Plus. It got cut?
No, yeah, fine. You can continue. It's okay now. Okay now.
Okay, so Siya Ram, the technical. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you.
So, so the technical team of Siya Ram was wonderful.
14 questions in my inbox. You better answer fast.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये क्या हो रहा है? अर्नब की शो पे भी इतने क्वेश्चन नहीं होते सर. Come on. Arnab,
so I really enjoyed my Siya Ram.
Okay, yeah, and also share your experience by working with a great co-star who has been onto my show, Pratima Kananji. Please. Well, she's a wonderful person, though I know.
She's a great human, and when I met her first time, I was like, I was a little bit scared because she's a very senior actress. So I was I was really scared to work with her. I was thinking like how strict she might be, but she made it very easy for me. Right from the first shot when we did it, she made it very easy for me, as if it was like my mom. I was working with my mom.
Yeah, she is
She
like
made me
that.
so
She is.
comfortable. She
Yeah.
she corrected me wherever required,
Okay.
and she helped me a lot. In fact, and that's the reason we are still we are still connected to each other.
Yeah. So do you sing? Do you write?
Yes, I do sing very badly, but still I sing.
Sing for us. Don't
कौन
lie.
सा गाना
But
कौन सा गाना
sweet.
है?
Any song which you like. It can be in Kannada. It can be in any language. Today you have all the freedom on my show.
Okay, I'll sing a few lines to my Kannada audience because they love it, and I used to sing this in Big Boss house also.
Please.
It goes like this. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೋ ನೀ ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ನನ್ನೆದೆಗೆ ನಗುವ ಬೀರುತ್ತ ನಿಂತೆ ತಂದೆ ನೀ ಮಾಯಾಲೋಕವೇ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲೇ ನನ್ನನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಮರೆತೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಧುರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹಗುರ ಕನಸೊಂದು
Preeti.
ಹುಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನಿಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಕದ್ದೆ ನೀ ಚೆಲುವೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನೇ just ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ
Wow.
stole my heart away.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
You understood,
Absolutely
no?
stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
प्रीति का नाम आया गाने में अब वो मुझे पता नहीं वो असली में कौन है. Okay, so one inspiring role that you want to do and you haven't done up till now and you expect to do in your life. You really want to do that kind of a role.
See, I've done Ramayana. As in Raman, I've done the role. I want to do Mahabharata also because I love to do the
Which character
mythological.
would you like to play in that?
In Mahabharata, I would love to do the Arjuna's role. I feel he is one of the best heroes of Mahabharata.
Okay.
Yeah.
And अगर आपको द्रोणाचार्य का रोल मिल गया तो?
वो भी करूंगा यार. In any role, Maybe people will be wondering, Dronacharya was like this. Wow.
Wow. So, one character on the screen which you or co-star which you share a very good chemistry on the show or on screen. A co-star which you share very good chemistry on screen.
On screen, I would say the first serial what I did in Kannada, Ashwini Nakshatra, which went on for almost 3 years. It went on. The way we acted over there, it was so comfortable to work with my co-star called Mayuri. Okay, and that became the most popular couple for the show. People started loving that couple. So I give a 10 out of 10 to her because she supported a lot.
Okay, so Mayuri ji is one co-star where you feel that's a good kind of a chemistry you share with.
Yes.
Right. So when it comes to coffee or tea, what do you like?
Coffee.
And what is the first thing you do when you get up in the morning?
I get up and I pray.
What time you get up?
6:30.
Okay, and what is your Raz of fitness mantra or fitness freak?
Nothing.
कैसे हैं आप?
No, the main thing is I always want to look good. So that's the main thing for me. So I want to be fit always because I'm very conscious about my fitness, my physique. That's the reason that pushes me to the gym, and I regularly I work out.
How much time do you spend on the gym?
Maybe morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours.
Oh, तो after the show आपका टाइम हो रहा होगा ना फिर तो?
Of course, after the show. No, आज संडे है. संडे एक ही बार जाता हूँ.
Oh, छुट्टी होती है एक दिन तो.
No, it's not my mistake. It's the gym. It opens only in the morning on Sundays.
Oh, okay.
So
you're right
lucky,
now.
No, you're lucky today that आज संडे है और evening gym नहीं जा रहा हूँ.
आज no कीटाणु डे है, आज no germ day है. So just rest. So
Yeah.
I know you love eating dosa, right?
Yes. Yeah.
But what are the other items, if provided, given you, would you like to eat in any of the cuisines
See, I
apart from
like
dosa?
I like anything, but except rice. I don't. I somehow I'm not that much.
Of course, you're fitness freak. So how will you love rice?
Not really, you know. See,
Carbohydrates. You should not like
do,
stay away from carbohydrates.
dosa is made of rice.
हाँ पर वो
हाँ.
I mean लेकिन लेकिन दूसरा टाइप का राइस है ना वो but you know
नहीं नहीं, वही
it
वही
वैसा
टाइप का
पूरा
राइस है
see
जो
dosa you will eat
ग्राइंड
only
करके
one.
दिया.
Oh, I have a point. Dosa you will eat only one or two, and rice you will eat this much.
Dosa I eat 10.
अच्छा oh अच्छा I'm sorry body बड़ी है. Okay sir I my mistake. अब दूसरी cuisine तो बता दीजिए कौन सी खाना पसंद करेंगे?
Actually, I like North Indian dishes a lot. Aloo paratha I like a lot with
Achar.
curd and
Good.
that is pickle.
Achar. Pickle.
Achar is
Achar.
pickle, right? Okay.
Yes, right. You're
I
right.
love that, you know. I love that. And
You mentioned you like akki roti. What is that?
that's right. Akki roti, have you had tried? No. It is also made of rice. Akki is rice. Akki means rice.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, in that they make a roti of rice, which will be yum with chicken curry.
Oh, so you are a non-vegetarian basically.
I'm pure non-vegetarian.
Acha, pure. Oh, okay, okay. Pure non-vegetarian. Okay. ठीक है. अब like you, what's your favorite color? अगर मैं पूछूंगी तो I know the answer would be black and white.
No, blue is my favorite color.
Black and white नहीं है.
Black and white also my favorite.
ये कैसे हो रहा है? What are you speaking यार?
I like all the colors.
Oh, गलत ही question पूछा. So let's come back to some simple and very very serious questions now. I'm going to talk about nepotism.
Ah, okay.
Okay, I know your answer would be yes. Nepotism कहाँ नहीं है? It exists everywhere, right?
Yeah.
If it exists everywhere, have you faced it? And what did you do to avoid it?
Everybody faces nepotism. It's fine. All I would say is, yeah, I mean, if somebody from their family wants to push their kids to their profession itself, there's nothing wrong with that. Okay.
Right.
Nepotism is not wrong. Okay. If my father is a doctor and he wants me also to be get into medical as a doctor, though I don't have the credentials, but still he pushes. I mean, that's fine. But other than nepotism, when somebody else is working really hard in a career and you're trying to pull that person down, that is wrong.
So what can we take measures to avoid that part? Since you are in that industry, can you give some tips on that?
I would say to people, be human, live and let live.
What?
Just be human. Be human.
No. Being human नहीं तो बोल. Okay, be human. Okay.
No, being nice.
हाँ,
be
be ठीक है. Be human.
Yeah.
Be human. ठीक
Be
है.
human. Live and let live.
Let and live. And what is what fitness mantra you would like to share with your fan following out there, girls looking at you and every day?
See, everybody.
One post comes of JK.
See, the reason I post every day about fitness is to motivate a lot of people. Okay, I get direct messages from a lot of people telling that the fitness videos or pictures what I post, it encourages them to get into gym or into fitness. Okay, and being healthy is one of the best thing you can experience in your life. It keeps you young, healthy, and energetic.
अच्छा लेकिन अगर ये लेजी वर्ड है, एक लेजी वर्ड है, लेजी, तो वर्ड लेजी, तो क्या करना चाहिए? मतलब यू वांट टू डू इट, फिर नहीं कर पाते हो, फिर सोचते हो अभी करते हैं, तो उसको कैसे हटाएं अपनी जिंदगी से?
See, what happens is if you don't have an interest on anything, okay, you become lazy towards that. If you ask me to play football, I wouldn't play football. I would be lazy to play football because that's not my interest.
Okay.
So हर लोगों को उनका interest रहता है. I don't know what is your favorite sport.
ढल गया दिन,
Badminton.
ढल गई शाम.
Really, I love badminton. Okay, I enjoy badminton, so I won't be lazy. I think so. You won't be
So
lazy
अभी
when
होता तो सर we would have started ना उधर से इधर से एक एक.
है ना?
आपने बताया नहीं पहले. You didn't tell me. Oh, I didn't ask you.
You didn't ask me. It's not my mistake.
Generally it happens this way. I didn't ask you. So this is one of your messages that okay, just keep
That's
flashing.
Likita Gaurav. JK, huge fan of you. I remember watching. कहाँ गया?
चला गया. आपने जल्दी से जवाब दे दिया.
Okay, Nandan, drug case ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. So Nandan is asking, what is your take on drug case? I would say no drugs. Cut it from the grassroots. ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲೂ ನೆಪೋಟಿಸಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲೂ ನೆಪೋಟಿಸಮ್ ಇದೆ. ನೆಪೋಟಿಸಮ್ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ. It's not wrong.
I have asked you all these questions.
Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಿಮ್ ಬಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಜಿಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. See, he is telling, Viresh is telling, after seeing my gym workout, he's going to gym. So
really?
He's getting motivated. Very nice. Your favorite character in Sita Rama? Ravan. Obviously, my favorite character is Ravan. Next picture, Yaudu. Sheila is asking, which is your next movie? My next movie is a Tamil release called Maligai, and Kannada release Warrant. Anna, please. Okay. Anna, Uta Aita. Oh, Vineet is asking, you had food? Yes, Vineet, I had my lunch. Still dinner is left.
Acha. And tomorrow breakfast is also left.
Yes.
Okay, so I think कुछ चीजें मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही तो I'm just asking.
Okay, it's the same guy. He's asking about my food.
Sir is a non-vegetarian. Okay, Sudeep film song.
Yes, Chetan, hard headed nala Chetan. I sang the song from Sudeep sir's movie only, Just Mat Matali.
तो अब एक हिंदी में भी सॉन्ग सुना दीजिए सर. ये तो गलत बात है. इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में.
कौन सा चाहिए आपको?
चाहिए तो पर
आपको कौन सा सॉन्ग चाहिए?
एगिटेरियन. नहीं, आप हिंदी में गा सकते हैं, इंग्लिश में गा सकते हैं. चाहिए तो सॉन्ग, नहीं तो सॉन्ग. Excuse me, Mr. Chandan, you said you are looking beautiful. It's generally for the girl. So is it like compliment for me or
for you actually? For you, obviously it's for you. You're looking beautiful. Sorry, you're looking beautiful.
हाँ, शायद मेरे को वही लगा. मैं खुश हो जाऊँ थोड़ा सा. इतने तो मतलब क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है. Okay, so आपने गाना सोचा सर?
गाना?
Yes.
मैं गाऊं तुम सो जाओ.
सर, अच्छा एक बात बताइए कि आपने आपकी लाइफ में इंस्पायरिंग मॉडल कौन रहा है? You were a model yourself.
Inspiring to, in each part of my life, I've met a lot of people. They have been my inspiration, who have taught a lot of lessons to me in my life. You don't need a hero or any celebrity.
See, people are asking Hindi song bolo, Hindi song bolo,
Hindi song
bolo. अब गा दो सर प्लीज. अरे पुराना भी चलेगा सर. अनारकली का कोई गा दो सर. कुछ तो भी गा दो यार. गा तो दो. How is your health? Hey, Rashtrati.
How is your
health?
Health.
Yeah.
My health is good, very good, fit and fine.
Okay. So, please, you can't skip from the song.
Okay, see, I'm a big fan of SP Balasubramanian sir. We lost him
Yeah, yeah.
this
I
week.
am also.
Okay,
Yeah, I know.
and all his songs were wonderful. Maybe I
I
would
love it.
dedicate.
Yes.
I,
Yes,
I,
yes, yes.
I would dedicate his one of his song from Ek Duje Ke Liye.
Okay.
Okay,
Carry on.
okay. मेरे जीवन साथे प्यार किए जाए
No,
जवानी
no.
दीवानी खूबसूरत जिद्दी पड़ोसन सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम. That's SP sir. Thank you.
I think one more song was very, very famous.
एक दूजे
Where
के लिए
no, it was Rati Agnihotri ji and Salman Khan. साथिया तूने क्या
साथिया
कहा? So please sing that
तूने
song.
क्या किया
You have very good voice.
बेड़िया ये तूने क्या किया करना इंतजार
नहीं, मैंने
कुछ और
किया
है
है तुमसे
मैंने किया
प्यार.
है तुमसे प्यार.
Your favorite cricket player? Okay.
सचिन तेंदुलकर.
सचिन तेंदुलकर. और आपने मुझे ये नहीं बताया कि ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ में आपके सब लोग फेवरेट इंस्पिरेशन रोल मॉडल्स रहे होंगे, बट initially when you was a small kid, whom you wanted to become like and whom you wanted always, treated as your inspiration?
Well,
One person.
for any kid, it's always their father. So I always, for me, my father was my inspiration because we see them every day, the way they work hard for us, for kids. Okay, so he was my inspiration.
So any day, I mean, sir used to force you to, become a doctor? No.
No, in fact, I wanted to become a doctor. Okay,
ये क्या हो गया फिर?
I was very much
Engineer?
interested to become a doctor. Then I was into cricket, so he told me, see, if you get into medical, you need to study a lot. You can't play cricket and all, you won't have time to play cricket. Then I chose to get into engineering.
Okay. So, Shrikant, where are you, sir?
मैं कहाँ गया?
मुझे नहीं पता.
कहाँ गए?
अब ये है. श्रीकांत इससे सर आपने May 1st करी है, पर आपने यहीं पे इफेक्ट दिखाना शुरू कर दिया है हॉरर मूवी का.
You know, that is the effect I'm giving you. Horror effect
Mr.
also.
Shrikant says, yeah. Mr. Shrikant says 5 girls और हंसते हुए.
5 girls.
5 girls. Yeah. Smileys. Lots of smileys.
I can't see anything.
Okay, I pinned the comment.
Okay, Srinath, 5 girls. पता नहीं उसका मतलब क्या है श्रीनाथ. श्रीनाथ, what is this?
ये मत करो यार, ये लाइव शो है, you're not allowed.
हाँ. So please share your experience playing Ravan. Michael Shores. Fantastic, actually. Playing the Ravan role was really good. It gave me a lot of experience in acting and projected me a lot to wonderful people.
So, who's your favorite actor and actress?
My favorite actors, it kept on changing. Right now, I'm a big fan of Hrithik Roshan.
Because of the dance aspect, or because of the height aspect, because of the body aspect, what?
His fitness and his looks. Yeah. See, at the end of the day, actors are entertainers. So when you go and watch their movies, there should be feel good factor. There should be good screen presence. What I feel, I enjoy that. You know, so I
Your
feel Hrithik
favorite
Roshan is
scene
amazing.
from Siya Ke Ram?
My favorite scene from Siya Ke Ram is the Swayamvar, wherein it was one of the best scenes what I did as an actor because I
I
still
understand.
remember.
मैं आपकी feelings को बिल्कुल समझ रही हूँ सर, बिल्कुल समझ रही हूँ. ये लोग नहीं समझेंगे. I understand. उस सीन में ऐसा क्या था सर?
नहीं, I'm telling about my experience, the best experience of that scene. आप stuck हो गई.
आप stuck हो गए हैं.
नहीं, you are stuck.
मैं तो हिल रही हूँ.
No.
Okay, दो मिनट देखते हैं. Let's see.
Which one?
Somebody says your favorite dialogue from Ravana, please.
Favorite dialogue
आप
from.
ठीक हो रहे हैं, आप थोड़ा ठीक हो रहे हैं आप.
लेकिन आप तो वही अटके हुए हैं.
ये कैसे हो सकता है यार? मैं तो हिल रही हूँ, डोल रही हूँ, बात भी कर रही हूँ.
कुछ हुआ, something has happened.
डायलॉग बोली, शायद ठीक हो जाए.
Okay, dialogue from Siya Ke Ram, I can say.
Yes.
Okay, this is the Swayamvar, as I
This
told you.
people are saying, JK sir, you are stuck.
See, I'm stuck. कुछ तो हुआ है ना?
Yes, I think issue with हाँ, अब आप एकदम गायब हो गए हैं और आप इसे आवाज सुनाई दे रही है मुझे. JK sir, your video is poor. Your fans.
I can't see you. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can see you, but very light. Yay! I'm live again. I'm sorry. Net problems created this, and I had to go out of the chat. So I requested sir to join again. Yeah, I requested sir to join again. There was a serious network issue. I'm sorry, all of you, whom you all wanted to ask for questions and queries. Welcome, all of you. Hi, Suraj. Surajji. Hi, Surajji. How are you? Yes, sir is here now. Sir, okay, guys. I'm good, Mr. Sampath. Thank you so much. आप कैसे हैं? What the आँख में चोली वाला game you have played, sir? आप चले गए, आपके fans रो रहे थे, मैं रो रही थी कि कहाँ चले गए?
I didn't do anything. It's the network problem.
I know. I already said sorry to all the viewers that it was a...
I'm so sorry, guys. So sorry that there was network problem.
नहीं sir, आप sorry मत मांगिए, मैंने मांगे आपकी तरफ से sorry. That's okay. So this was hi sir, yeah. So people wanted to know about your routine, daily routine of fitness, like what time you get up, what you eat, what you don't eat, and go on.
The main thing is I regularly work out. Okay, it's just
they want to know the fitness regime of getting up from the morning till the night. आपके सारे के साथ जैसे लगना चाहते हैं.
Okay, so I get up at 6:30. I go to gym at 7:30. Then उसके बाद almost 2 hours I work out, come back home, and I have my breakfast. Nice South Indian breakfast, whatever mom prepares every day. Different breakfast she prepares, so I eat those breakfast. उसके बाद I said, I mean, if I don't have my shoot, I'm into script writing to learn about script writing. So I do those things because May first movie I had only written the scripts, story, screenplay, dialogues for that.
So this is
So
very bad. People were asking me after you left कि मैं एक वर्ड कन्नड़ा में बोलूं, बट मुझे नहीं आता है. एक वर्ड तो सिखा दीजिए आज.
ನಾನು
नानू.
tell
नि,
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್
ನೀವು. Okay.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ
ನಾನು
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ.
ತುಂಬಾ
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ
ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತೀನಿ
ಪ್ರೀ
ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತೀನಿ
ಪ್ರೀ ಪ್ರೀತಸ್ತನಿ.
yeah, that means I love you all a lot.
ओके. आई लव यू ऑल अ लॉट मैंने बोल दिया. उसके बाद मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा और लर्न करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so then if you have your lunch and dinner, and then what time
Yes,
generally do you, what's your agenda for the night? You watch movies, Netflix, or what all?
yes. During this lockdown period, it was only some OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon, MX Player. So I
आपने
was
कुछ नई
more
हॉबी
into.
सीखी? नया अपना
Huh?
कुछ हॉबी को कुछ नया सीखा लॉकडाउन में? Did you learn something new और
कुछ
कुछ नहीं?
कुछ
कुछ
नहीं,
नहीं.
टाइम ही नहीं मिलता.
अच्छा. ओके.
So whatever I know,
लॉकडाउन
no,
में भी टाइम नहीं मिला सर आपको?
see when it was
गाइस.
lockdown,
Yeah.
when we didn't have gym, I used to work out at home only. I set up the gym in my place itself. Then uske baad, yeah, I was telling you about script writing. I was more into that. And you know about web series, when you start watching it continuously, you start watching, you get used
Yes,
to
you
it.
have to. You have
हाँ,
to.
इसलिए
You have to.
इसलिए चश्मा आ गया मुझे, because of that only.
Oh, we all were thinking that it's a style statement. Or the look for the
No,
today.
no, 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 no.
No. Oh, दिल तोड़ दिया आपने सर.
It's okay.
Very, very well.
Still, you can think about it as a style statement itself.
Okay.
Prithvi, hi sir, tell me one Kannada song. Prithvi, I already told one Kannada song. Okay. Super Kannada teaching, sir.
Hey, okay. Okay. ये टीचिंग सेशन नहीं है. अच्छा, आपने अपनी एक लाइफ से एक जब आप बच्चे थे और जब भी कुछ प्रैंक खेला हो किसी के साथ, या मस्ती करी हो, या किसी को तंग किया हो, या खुद तंग करे हो, या किसी ने आपको किया हो, या बुली किया हो, कुछ ऐसा कुछ याद है किससे आपको, या स्टोरी कुछ ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग,
When
या
we were shooting,
सेट पे भी कुछ हुआ हो ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग?
set pe to, many times it used to happen when we used to shoot for the Ashwini Nakshatra. Yeah, at that time, I still remember there was a scene wherein the heroine has to close her eyes and she has to tell some dialogues and all. And it so happened that she was telling the dialogues, and I told all of them to leave the place. Nobody was there. When she opened the eyes, कोई नहीं था.
तो ये आपका आइडिया था, है ना?
हाँ.
Was this your idea?
Of
Okay.
course, it's nice to play pranks.
Okay.
Yeah.
आपके साथ कभी किसी ने खेला प्रैंक्स?
नहीं यार. People are
किसी की
scared
हिम्मत
of
नहीं
me.
होती.
हिम्मत नहीं
Yes.
होती.
तो जिसके बचपन में एक लड़की इधर एक लड़की इधर, मतलब किसके वो क्या खेलेगा प्रैंक?
है ना?
No. But
I wait for people to do prank on me, but कोई नहीं करता.
कोई बात नहीं सर, कोई मिला नहीं आपको अभी तक ऐसा. मिलेगा बहुत जल्दी. Suggestions. Which college you have studied?
I've studied in Bangalore Institute of Technology, Bangalore.
Okay. एक अच्छा सा मैसेज आप कुछ देना चाहेंगे हमारे आपके फैन फॉलोइंग को, जो अभी यहाँ फिर से वापस आ रहे हैं, एंड the pandemic period is still there and lot of other things are going on around. So what do you
Yeah.
have to say on them, especially when you see the industry in such a way, you know what is the position of the industry of Bollywood right now?
So more than only pertaining to Bollywood industry or my film industry, I would say people, it is one of the worst period what we are facing, 2020, because 2020, this pandemic, the COVID pandemic which has started, it has affected a lot to a lot of people. Maybe it might be rich people or poor people or middle class people. It has affected the whole country, whole world. So at this point of time, we all need to stand together. We need to somehow eradicate this by the simple steps: social distancing, using mask, and try to be safe at home, be hygienic, and be fit and healthy. Because that develops your immunity a lot. So this is very important.
Go to gym, guys.
Huh?
Go to
No,
gym.
it's not only going to gym. Do any fitness, whichever
Walking.
you like, walking, or play some sport.
Talking.
Talking. Please do talk, but wear your mask and talk.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
right. Well, that's a very important information. And okay. So, sir, one message for my show that you want to say before we end.
Well, whatever the show what you're doing right now is fantastic. That I saw a couple of your previous videos what you send. I'm very privileged to be part of your show because you have interviewed a lot of great personalities, good actors whom we
Yeah,
used to
one is
watch on
sitting here.
television. Whom we used to watch on television, and I'm glad that you are interviewing me. So I feel really blessed.
Oh my God, sir. The sleep pattern will get disturbed for sure
No,
because
no, no.
you are saying
No,
this.
no. You will get very good sleep, Aj. Wonderful
हाँ
sleep
तो
you're going to get.
डिस्टर्ब होगी
No,
होगी
no,
क्योंकि
no, no, no.
I'm obliged and I really thank from the bottom of my heart that you accepted my invitation for coming here and having spoken so much valuable stuff about yourself, about your journey, about your life, and of course to your fans whom they wanted Kate Nation wants to know or what's your story by Mati wants to know. So
Yeah.
so thank you
What's your
so
story?
much. And I'm so small for you to give this message, but I wish you all the best for your coming future in all your projects, in all your you know future projects to come. That
Thanks
you
a lot, Madhuri. Thank
really
you so much.
grow.
Yeah, and I just wish that any of my movies or any of my shows which are coming, I would love to promote in your show. It would be really great.
That will be my privilege anytime, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, guys, this was all about my guest today. Yes, I spoke so much. Still busy on speaking. Please, अब उनको दोबारा बुलाया था तो उनको respect तो देना है ना? We have to respect him fully and then say bid bye. So, thank you so much, and I hope you liked the story for today. That was all about JK, sir, and hope to see you again with the next celeb or a distinguished personality onto my show. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and I will say wear your mask and keep your hands clean all the time. Hi, yes, it's nice, all of you. Yes, busy 3307. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining. I'm good. Thank you. See you once again. Bye bye. Take care.